When you realize the biggest tax bill you will ever pay is at death, you will not want to put your estate plan on the back burner. Estate planning is a topic that often gets overlooked, but is essential for protecting your legacy and loved ones' well-being. Hi, I'm Dave. I help Canadian business owners achieve their dream life with innovative financial advice. Estate planning involves making important decisions about our assets, beneficiaries, and the legacy we leave behind. Having an estate plan in place will make things easier for everyone. What is already a difficult time for your loved ones should not be even harder than it already is. Let's make sure you're proud of your legacy you leave behind, and it's done according to your wishes. Having a will is an important first step. A will outlines your wishes on the distribution of your assets after you pass away. It provides everyone clarity in who you want to inherit your wealth. This helps reduce unnecessary disputes between family members. Without a will, the government will decide how your assets are distributed, which may not align with what you had in mind. Having a will is the first step. It's equally as important to pick the right executor. They are responsible for administering your estate and executing the terms of your will. You want someone trustworthy and capable of dealing with processing the will during an emotionally taxing time. When it comes to deciding who you want to leave your estate to in your will, you want to start by identifying your assets and liabilities. Have a clear understanding of your financial picture by documenting your assets, such as real estate, bank accounts, investments, vehicles, and personal belongings, as well as your liabilities, including debts, mortgages, loans, and taxes owed. If you're married, most of your estate will be transferred to the surviving spouse by default. For example, if you have joint accounts and assets, the surviving spouse will automatically inherit it. They're entitled to a portion of the estate under provincial laws, but if you're not married to your partner, they will not have the same entitlement. If you want to name your children as beneficiaries and they are a minor, the executor will hold their inheritance in a trust until they are 18. The distribution of your estate is not just limited to your family. You can leave your estate to charity as well. Now let's talk about tax considerations. We all want to keep as much of our hard-earned money for our loved ones and not leave it in the hands of the government. In Canada, when you pass away, the government will tax your estate before anything is given to your beneficiaries. As a result, there is no inheritance tax because it's already been taxed. Here are a few ways you can plan to ensure your wishes are conducted and your loved ones receive as much as possible. Number one, gifting. Gifting assets during your lifetime can help reduce the size of your estate, in turn strategically lowering probate fees and taxes owed down the road. Here's an example. Let's say you purchased a vacation property for $1 million back in the year 2000, and you want to gift this property to your child. It is currently worth $1.5 million, with the expectations to increase in value in the coming years. If you gift it to your child now, it will generate a capital gain of $500,000. However, if you pass down the property to your child in your will, and then the property is worth $2 million, the capital gain would be $1 million. Gifting the property now may save on higher capital gains tax in the future if the property value goes up. Number two, using trust is another effective estate planning strategy to save tax. A trust can help with income splitting, estate equalization, reduce probate fees, and asset preservation. Lastly, life insurance is a tax-efficient tool to help with estate planning in Canada. The death benefit from life insurance policies pays out tax-free to beneficiaries. Including life insurance in your estate plan can also help to equalize an estate, cover taxes, and provide funds to your beneficiaries without having to go through probate. Estate planning is not just about managing your assets. It's about securing your legacy and providing for your loved ones after you're gone. Start planning your estate today to ensure peace of mind for yourself and your loved ones in the future. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified when new content is uploaded. If you're interested in learning more, we have another video for you. Click here to take a look.